Hello student, welcome back to Maths online classes. In previous classes, we completed our page number 63 up to 63. Now page number 64. Hope you all will understand about ascending and descending, what comes after, before and between, and fill in the boxes. Okay. Now come in the page number 64, add the following. Now come in page number 64, add the following. The question is this. You all know addition, how to add the numbers. I early told in previous classes. Okay. Now first question we will take 16 plus 3, 18 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 4 plus 30. Like this in your maths book given over there. But in our previous classes, we added single digit number. But here one is double digit number and one is single digit number. And one more problem we are having is we are having only 10 fingers in our hand. How can we count 16 plus 3 in our hand? Anyone tell me? No one. We are having no. How can we tell? How can we solve this number 16? Only we are having 10 fingers in our hand, and we have to add 16 plus 3. This is too much. How can we add in our finger? So in this place, first you all know that draw strokes and add. So we will draw our strokes over in this here. Okay. I am dividing these questions so you can better understand how you have to add. First is 16. So how many lines we have to draw? 16 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 16 lines are given over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 3. 1, 2 and 3. All together what we have to do? We have to count all together. Shall we start? Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 1, 9, 19. Here we are having answer. Okay. So this is our answer. In this way you have to count and write. Okay. This question is called add the following, but you can draw our strokes and add these numbers. Now next one is 18 plus 1. So same as it is, we have to draw 18 strokes plus 1. Here we are drawing, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 1, 8, 18. Plus 1. Here is 1 now. 1 stroke. Now we will count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 1, 9, 19. So it's our answer. Next one is 10 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 0. And here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 1, 6, 16. So student, this is our answer. In this way you have to add. Isn't it? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Now 4 plus 13. First we will draw how many strokes? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1, 3, 13. Okay, now we have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 1, 7, 17. So, here is our answer. In this way, you have to add and count. Okay. In this way, if you are having this types of question in your book or in your copy, or take some other numbers also. If you are having 16, if in here I am giving some other questions also. For example, 9 plus 12 is given over here. How you will count? In same way, we have to draw a stroke. Which number is given over here? 9 is given over here. We will draw 9 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, how many? Which number is given over there? 12. So, we will draw 12 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, so 9 is given over there and 12. 9 plus 12. All together we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So our answer is 21. Like this, we have to draw our strokes and count. Is it easy for you, child? Okay. Now we will take next question. Okay. Now next one is page number 65. Page number 65 you have to take out and fill in the placeholders. Question name is fill in the place holder. We will take some few questions from this also. 5 plus 17 simply given over there like this. 3 plus 8. How we will count? How we will add? 2 plus 7. Some small numbers or single digit numbers are also given over there. But can we count in our finger? If we will having 2 digit numbers, can we will count? No. So we will take the help of strokes. Okay, I am giving space over here by which I can draw a strokes over here only. Okay, 1 plus 16 and 6 plus 7. Some few questions I am taking. Okay. So, here is 5 plus 17. Same problem. We can't count in our fingers. So, we will draw our strokes over here. First, we will draw how many strokes? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Shall we count all together?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Here we are having our answer. 22 is our answer. Now 3 plus 8. First we will draw 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 3 plus 8 is what our answer? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is our placeholder. Now next one is 2 plus 7. So first we will draw 2 strokes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here our answer is 9. Now next one is 15 plus 4. First we will draw 15 strokes, afterwards 4. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we count all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here is our answer. 19 is our answer. In this way, students, you have to do this question. Okay. Because stroking, draw a stroke and count is the easiest way to add a bigger number. Okay. Like 2-digit number is, we can't count in our hand. So, in this way, we can add the numbers. Okay, now 1 plus 16. 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Shall we count all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and here is 17. Our answer is 17. And the last one is 6 plus 7. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 3, 30. So our answer is 13. In this way you have to write this question. Okay, you have to solve these questions. I hope you all will understand this. How you have to add the numbers by the help of strokes in any places. In subtraction also you can take a help of strokes. Okay, this stroke method is the easiest way to add or subtract the number. Okay, now we will come in page number 66 and the last page of this chapter, and our chapter will complete now. So page number 66 in last question. Okay, the last question is subtract by cross method. Subtract by cross method. Here is the question and the first one is 18 minus 6. You have to draw strokes over here also. Okay. Now first one is 18 minus 6. 16 minus 4. I am writing some questions. 18 minus 9. Okay. And dash is given over here. Like this. First 18 minus 6. Can we count in our finger? No. We can't. If we can't add in our 10 fingers, how we can count in our subtract in our 10 fingers. So we will take the help of strokes. Okay. So first we have to draw how many, which number is given over here, students? 1, 8, 18. So we have to draw 1, 8, 18 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 1, 8, 18. 18 strokes I have drawn over here. Now, in which we have to subtract 6. So, we have to cut down the 6 strokes over here. So, we will get our answer. So, here we go. Okay. First, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, your brother is having 18 chocolate, in which you are taken with your brother 6 chocolates. So, after taking 6 chocolates, how many chocolates left to your brother? So, here 18 strokes, 18 chocolates we have drawn over here, 18 strokes. In this, 6 we are cut down over here. Now, we have to count. So, our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Our answer is 12. Isn't it? Okay. Now we will take next question for your better understanding. First one is, which number is given over here? 16. I am having 16 pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 pen I am having, in which I lost 4 pen. मेरे पास 16 पेन थे, जिसमें से मैंने 4 पेन खो दिए, घूम गए मुझसे. तो अब मेरे पास कितने पेन बचे? Now, in this 16, we have to cut 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we left with us. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our answer is 12. Now, here is 18 minus 9. In the same way, we have to draw our strokes. How many strokes we have to draw over here? 18. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. In which, how many line we have to cut? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, we left with us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, here we are having our answer. Okay, I am taking some few questions over here to explain you. Okay, isn't it? I hope you all will understand what I will explain it to you all today in this classes. Please do exercise at your, do this all exercise at your home and in your maths copy. Okay, for today this much, and our chapter is already completed now. Thank you for today.